Every morning, Aro stood at the same bus stop before sunrise. The city was already awake, but no one noticed him. He stood quietly, hands in his pockets, eyes fixed on the road. He had learned how to disappear without actually leaving. Aro was not weak and he was not lazy. He had thoughts, ideas, and dreams like everyone else. But fear always walked one step ahead of him. Fear of speaking, fear of being wrong, fear of being seen. At work, he sat through meetings, listening carefully. His mind was active, but his mouth stayed closed. When an idea came, a familiar voice flowed. What if they laugh? What if you fail? What if you are not good enough? So he stayed silent. At night, when the world slowed down, those moments returned. He lay on his bed, staring at the ceiling, replaying conversations that never happened. He wondered how his life might look if he spoke when it mattered. One evening, work ran late. Arav rushed toward the bus stop but arrived seconds too late. The bus pulled away, leaving him alone with the sound of traffic and his own thoughts. He sat down, feeling frustrated and tired. Nearly an old man stood feeding birds. Small birds gathered, closed without fear. The man smiled as he watched them. After a moment, he spoke without turning around. Birds do not wait to feel brave before they fly. Aro looked at him quietly. They jumped first, the man said, and learned courage on the way down. The birds scattered. The man dusted his hands, and before leaving, he added, most people do not fail because they cannot do something. They fail because they keep turning back before they begin. That night, Aro could not sleep. Those words stayed with him, turning back before I begin. He realized he had avoided failure his whole life by avoiding action, and in doing so, he had avoided living. The next day, at work, another meeting began. Aro felt the familiar tension in his chest. An idea formed. Fear spoke again, telling him to stay quiet. For a moment, he almost listened. Then he remembered the birds, the missed bus, and the words. He raised his hand. His voice was soft and unsteady. But he spoke. No one laughed. No one interrupted. People listened. A question followed, then another. The meeting moved on, but something inside Aro had changed. He did not walk out as a different man, but he walked out lighter. Over time, Aro did not become fearless. He simply stopped turning back. He spoke more, tried more, failed sometimes, and learned that failure did not end him. Each time fear told him to retreat, he answered, not today. Because courage was never about being loud. It was about staying when everything inside told you to leave. Most people wait to feel ready, but readiness never comes first, action does. When your moment comes to speak, to try, to begin, do not wait for fear to disappear. Just do not turn back. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.